the compass, of course, the compass that you taught me how to make. Oh, it looks like it's getting dark. Maybe we should go to sleep.
Yeah, how about why don't you can go to sleep first? I'm just gonna stay up a little longer.
For any reason?
No, don't worry. I'm just not tired yet.
Would you actually look at that sky? Look at the sunset.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Would you like to watch the sunset together?
Yeah. Yeah, let me just watch from here. I can get a good view of you and the sunset. Wow,
there's lava over there.
Oh, there is. Watch out.
There goes the sun.
Indeed.
There it goes. And now it's just you and me and all these animals.
Yep. All these animals. You look pretty tired. Maybe you should go to sleep.
Should I?
Yeah, don't worry. I'll go to sleep after you.
Okay, well, I guess I'll just for safety, Okay, good night.
Good night, Mumei.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Fauna, it's time to go to bed. Fauna.
Yeah.
It's time to go to bed.
Don't worry about that one.
Let's go to bed, Fauna. I think it's time to go to bed.
Here, it's just a little dangerous for you.
Everything okay out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No!
Just down.
Wait! I miscalculated.
Should I?
Oh no! Wait, I didn't plan for this. Wait, I didn't mean it. I take it back. I take it back. Nature is crying. I didn't mean for it to happen this way.